And a movie that my brother, the movie take 30 minutes for do this worst. I'm a chance to interview Ziggy, you will answer to these charges.
That everything would come full circle and I would be allowed the privilege to perform in my community, in my hometown.
What is wrong with humanity? Who not kill but out and not sell them soul for vanity?
Welcome to Lionfoot TV at the right place, so don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell.
Blessed love and greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens. Lion and lioness, big up on yourself. Welcome to Lionfoot TV. We say give thanks to life, health and strength. Give thanks to another day. Friday the 16th of February. Still in Black History Month. You see me? Hey, we get a one right up in the Observer, you know. Yeah, man. You don't know, go check it out. Alright, to the Observer. You see? Yes, my viewers and subscribers, big up my fans them on the platform all over the world, you know, musically and vlogically. See? Yes, man, big up all over for the music career. Yeah, so I say over the years, the real ones them big up on themselves. All of my fans them, Lionfoot fans them big up on themselves. Yeah, man, we say give thanks to life, health and strength. Over here, so we deal with diversity, equity, empathy, love, unity, inclusion. And so I say all of the good attributes them. So I say respect, due. Yeah, see it? Yes, man. I don't know. As usual, we always say thank you for your continuous support. You know, vlog on the go. Some will do my thing over the years. You know, yeah, the channel will grow slowly but surely. You know, once there's life, there's hope. You know what I mean? Persistent is to try. Nah, man, I lie. Yes, man, coming up in this vlog, yeah, we have Vybz Kartel awaits fate. Zine, yes, I don't know him too. The appeal at the hearing at the prison council was quite interesting. You know what I mean? Yeah, so I don't know. I would like to hear your feedback in the comment section below. You look good for the teacher still. Yes, yeah. We also have Jaii Frais criticizing the new Bob Marley movie. You see me? He watched it. I haven't seen it yet, but yeah, Jaii Frais share his opinion. You know, each to their own opinion, and everyone is entitled to share their opinions. Eh? Yes, man. We also have the Continental Artiste Nigy Boy. So I say, I want to reach a Jamaica and the reception of the brother get. Yo, may I tell a story? Wish it was me. Yeah, man. Say, big up Nigy Boy. Big up Dr. Love. Viewers and subscribers, we are forward.
What is wrong with humanity? Who not kill but out and not sell them soul for vanity?
Blessed love, a pleasant day to you all my fans out there. Yes, I say all my Instagrammers, TikTokers, Facebookers, Twitters, YouTubers. Yes, I just want to inform you guys that my single, What is Wrong with Humanity, the video is out now on my YouTube channel. See, you can go watch it and share it and like it and leave in feedback. Let me know what y'all think. The people who want to hear good music, righteousness, and believe in positivity. Yeah, man. The single is not out yet, but will be soon on all digital platforms. But for now, if you want to hear the full song, check it out on my YouTube channel. See? I'm Eric. Love. Remember, righteousness lead the way. Go shot.
I am a proud Jamaican. Me love my country, but I'm worried for the nation. No good examples, now set no foundation. The future looks sticky for this and the next generation.
Yes, man, you don't know what is wrong with humanity. The video they're on the YouTube channel and the views them are grow. Views them are grow. Big up the people who reach out and tell me, say, yo, push that one to the most maximum. Zine, and big up to the person who reach out and show interest. Zine? Yeah, yeah, man, so first, we could kick it off with Vybz Kartel, awaits fate. Zine, as you can see, well, I'm not going to put none of the video them because I know the Privy Council have their rules and nobody knows to post them thing. So, yeah, man, big shout out to Rickstorm TV. Yeah, man, Rickstorm TV, big up yourself, brother. Keep doing the great work. You know what I mean? Yeah, I watch the two channel, but I watch the two hearing, Vybz Kartel hearing on Rickstorm TV page. He streamed it live, you know what I mean? And I was in the comment section interacting with other viewers them. Zane, big up Sobi too, you don't know. Big up Imhotep. That's it. Yeah, man, respect. That's what I say. So, yeah, man, the hearing was quite interesting, you know what I mean? I don't want to go into the noise, you know. The hearing was quite interesting. You see me? Vybz Kartel, you know, big up him lawyer represented. I thought his lawyers represented him well. You know what I mean? You know, look good. Pan for them side, the prosecution side, you know look good at all. But you don't know, as the article says, Vybz Kartel awaits fate. We don't know until that day. It's gonna take a couple months, I assume, for the lords them to give them feedback on their result. You see me? So all the best with the teacher. I don't know. Every man deserves a second chance, and we don't wish lion foot no wish bad for nobody. You see me? I say no one is perfect. Everybody make mistakes and them things. There is it. Innocent until proven guilty, guilty until proven innocent. So let me know your honest feedback in the comment section. You see me? I say, yeah man. Big up the Gaza fans them, big up Lion Foot fans them. See? Next now we have Jaii Frais share his opinion on the Bob Marley movie. Here where I say
Ziggy Marley, me don't know where you and Bob have. Me don't know where you, your father, and your brother them have. What kind of movie that, my brother? The movie take 30 minutes for do this worst time I see your interview. Ziggy, you will answer to these charges. I promise you. You know, it's when the privy court done, Ziggy. I promise you, the Jamaican government is gonna take it to court for this fuckery you just put out. Ziggy, how do you? Huh? Ziggy? Oh my God, already. Ziggy? How about that split for this Ziggy? I'm in a smoke. See that? Me at the theaters right now, Ziggy. Ziggy. Yo, I'm gonna split for this.
alright, Jaii Frais. As I say, big up Jaii Frais. Everybody's entitled to their own opinions. And you know me as an artist, well, a YouTuber, part-time YouTuber, as a man say, fear to say so. Yeah, but me as a YouTuber, where I say now, rookie journalist, you see me? Yeah. Doing research and things. I see there's mixed comments, mixed feedbacks. You know what I mean? There's mixed feedback, mixed comments on the movie. But you know, I haven't seen the movie yet, so I can't comment on it, you know what I mean? But the little snippet and the promo snippet that I've seen, it did look good, to be honest. So let me know what you think, if you agree with Jaii Frais feedback. You know what I mean? Alright. Yes man. Next now we have the Continental Gallus. Currently in Jamaica upon the island with the management Dr. Love. Zine, so a screenshot a little piece. You know what I mean? So watch what I go.
My parish, my hometown is definitely a joy. And it's always a joy to see Mobile people come out and support them on to the fullest. That's what I say. We're going to keep this thing short and sweet. Because I Saturday.
I just want to say it's a pleasure to be back. I'm honored that all these distinguished guests in the audience took the time out of their busy schedules to come and welcome us back onto this soil. You know, it's always a pleasure being here. Maybe at my place, so I can represent every time. So you know, I just want to say thank you. You know, we came here to perform, do 2 events. So one is tomorrow, Margaritaville Ocharias, and then Jungle Juve on the 17th. So it's about to be a blast. But besides that, you know, I personally believe in never forgetting where you come from. And you know, as a testament to those words, you know, I found it fitting that everything would come full circle and I would be allowed the privilege to perform in my community, in my hometown, and just revel with the people in excitement, because you know, music is a powerful thing and it's a universal language, it connects all of us. And it's a pleasure to bring this continental experience, Montego Bay, yes. And then, you know, I personally believe in reciprocity. And visiting the Salvation Army School for the Blind tomorrow will allow me to give back to them in whatever capacity I'm able, because they were responsible for molding me into the man that I am today. They were a big part of the journey, and they gave to me a lot, more than I can ever repay. But I have to tip my hat off to them.
That is Nigy Boy, you know what I mean? With him out there on tour. He have 2 shows in Jamaica, and you know he's already booked for a Reggae Sound Fest. You see what I say? And he was well received. You see what I say? Big up Nigy Boy. You see what I say? The Continental Goddess. I love to see that, and I love to see when people strive and successful and grateful, because you know we all achieve a hunt for the same goal. You see me? But all of this, I big up Dr. Love still, because he believed in the artist from day one. I remember when he first came out and said, find an artist, you know, and the artist can sing and them thing there, and yeah, that's how I remember that, you know what I mean? So it's good to see him still there with the artist, and it's all good for the artist, you know what I mean? So big up Dr. Love, do your thing, and support the artist right through, and make sure I'm safe and secure. And any business deals with anybody out there, make sure it's going right. And me know say if you not agree, if you don't agree, don't sign it, and make sure say you might get it rightfully due. You know what I mean? Yeah, cause you know anything go wrong, all fingers gonna point on you, Dr. Love. You see me? So go and do the thing on Yellow King and make sure the artists are strive. You see me? I say big up Nigy Boy, big up Dr. Love. You know the man of peace. So we say give thanks to life, health and strength. See that I never left the badge. You see me, I'm in a Illuminati in a lodge. Right now we are go up on the road and now go run some errands and thing, and you know, I want to love and blessings, man. And please go check out the video. What is wrong with humanity? Saying, Holy Emmanuel, I Selassie, I Jah, Rastafari. In the heart, you know, ever live it, ever pure faith, you know. Yes, man. Cool shots. Blessed, Lord.
I am a proud Jamaican. Me love my country, but I'm worried for the nation. No good examples, now set no foundation. The future looks sticky for this and the next generation.